Welcome to the AI series dedicated to the life sciences fraternity by Dr. Vidyasagar Kasagani, CEO, PharmaMax Technology Services Inc. Today, we'll explore the realm of artwork and its associated compliance requirements. Artificial intelligence, AI, plays a significant role in ensuring pharmaceutical firms' compliance with artwork regulations in manufacturing practices. Here are insights into how AI aids in this. Streamlining packaging for full compliance. AI-driven solutions, such as Artwork Flow, streamline pharmaceutical packaging to achieve complete compliance. By avoiding costly labeling errors, ensuring regulatory mandates, and expediting market entry, these tools employ streamlined workflows and AI-driven processes to reduce errors and save time. Automating proofing and review processes. AI-powered proofing tools, exemplified by Manage Artworks, analyze various elements such as colors, layers, fonts, barcodes, and braille, and conduct spell checks in over 20 languages. This automation detects errors and inconsistencies, ensuring compliance with regulatory requirements. Enhancing compliance monitoring. AI continuously monitors data for regulatory compliance, identifying deviations or potential issues in real time. This proactive approach mitigates the risk of product recalls or regulatory violations, aiding pharmaceutical firms in maintaining compliance and avoiding costly mistakes. Improving labeling and artwork management. Cloud-based systems like PharmaMax Ecosystem Solutions offer a systematic approach to version control, reducing time to market and increasing productivity. AI-driven tools within these systems minimize errors, ensure regulatory compliance, and maintain brand consistency across all products and markets. Revolutionizing drug discovery and development. Leading pharmaceutical companies such as Roche and Novartis leverage generative AI or GenAI to transform drug discovery and development. GenAI's ability to generate new data based on patterns accelerates the pace of drug discovery, ultimately delivering transformative treatments to patients. Compliance with regulatory authority guidelines. Regulatory authorities like the FDA, EMA, and MHRA have issued guidelines for AI/ML use in the medical field, emphasizing safety, efficacy, and validation. These frameworks provide pharmaceutical firms with guidelines for safe and effective AI/ML integration into manufacturing practices. In conclusion, AI serves as a transformative force in pharmaceuticals, enabling firms to streamline packaging, automate proofing and review, enhance compliance monitoring, improve labeling and artwork management, and revolutionize drug discovery and development. Embracing AI allows pharmaceutical firms to ensure artwork compliance, reduce errors, and expedite market entry, ultimately leading to improved patient outcomes. Introducing PharmaMax Ecosystem Solutions, your all-inclusive platform designed to manage the entirety of the pharmaceutical supply chain. Say goodbye to pricey corporate solutions and embrace our one-stop solution tailored for your firm. Experience top-notch support services from world-class engineers who are dedicated to guiding you every step of the way.